Hello friend, Namaste Sastrikal. Today I am going to discuss about the landed cost, how you can book the multiple broker for the landed cost. For the same, what I have to do, first of all, create the GRPO. On the basis of the purchase order, first create the GRPO. So just I am selecting the GRPO, open GRPO. This is closed, this one is also closed, 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 and this one is open. The two number GRPO is open, so I am going to book the landed cost on the basis of GRPO 2. So just minimize this one. This one is the vendor Agrawal. So just copy it and select the landed cost in the purchase module. Whenever you will come in the down, just see here, this is the landed cost. On the landed cost, select the vendor. This is the Agrawal. So just copy and paste the vendor code, then copy from here and select the GRPO, goods received PO, and this one is the numbers of GRPO, those are open right now. So I am selecting the second, the GRPO number second. So this one like this. So what is this? This is the total record of the item, those are available on the GRPO. So I am going to book a value for the particular broker. So let's see here. The another one broker is Arinita Internet, and another one is XYZ, and so on. So in that case, if you want to book the landed cost for the multiple broker, so one by one you will have to maintain the brokers. Here I am selecting the one broker, so at this time I will book the value for the only one broker. So I am putting the amount 1000 for this particular broker, and whenever you will see the warehouse value will change accordingly. That is, the whatever the landed cost we are putting there, the cost value got increases here. So obviously the item cost will got increase as per the stock value. So here the custom effect inventories, so the value of the material get increases. So just see the general entry. This is the general entry. The raw material stock account get debit by the 1000 because we are paying the custom duty for the material. So the same amount get affect the stock value. So the stock value get debited, whereas the cost of good purchase account get credit. At the same time, the purchase account get debit. This is the knockoff account. Cost of goods purchase account is the knockoff account that is mainly used to effect the raw material purchase account. So whenever you will use the purchase account, in that case the knockoff account is cost of goods purchase account, and the here custom duty is get credit by the 1000. So raw material a stock account get debit by the 1000 and the custom duty account get credit by the 1000. I hope it is clear. So just add this one and you will observe that yes. Now if you will again select the same vendor, but as per the scenario there are multiple broker. So yes, I am going to again book, just see goods received purchase order, but the here the GRPO number 2 is not present. So in that case, how we will book for the second broker? So what I have to do, just come on the GRPO, select the second number GRPO, second to number, this is the GRPO, and the GRPO is closed for the landed cost. So what have to do, we will have to open the landed cost. Here whenever you will click the right click, you will see open for the landed cost. Just click here and now you can book the another brokers also on the landed cost. Now it will appear on the landed cost. So just update it Now you try to book the landed cost for the GRPO. So just click here landed cost. Now the vendor is Agrawal, so just select Agrawal, copy from here. This is the GRPO, and look here, the second number GRPO again appears here. Initially it was not appear after booking the first broker value. Whenever we will go on the GRPO and check out the open the GRPO for the landed cost, it will appear again. So now I will book the same for the another broker. Come here in the cost section, and the first I had booked for the custom duty. I am now going to book for the insurance. So I am booking the 500 for the another broker, and the second broker is, I will select here the another broker. So let's consider this one. So this one is the another broker. Got it? So again the inventory value will increase accordingly whatever the amount we are putting, but at the same time you will observe that the first broker value will get imposed on the warehouse stock value, and the second broker value will also get imposed on this. So this is the total process under which you can book the multiple brokers on the landed cost. So this is the process under which you can book more than one broker in SAP Business One in case of the landed cost. Now just close this one, and you can create the AP invoice for the landed cost. So just select the broker that is the vendor. Those are book on the landed cost. There are two broker on the landed cost. So just see here, the first one is BS printer. So just click BS printer on the AP invoice, paste here the vendor and copy from, and check out on the copy from. You will observe the landed cost option. This is the landed cost. So just click on the landed cost, and you will see the landed cost value is here. So just choose this one. Next, and this is the insurance value. Finish, and it will appears on the AP invoice in case of the services. So just select here the service code, SAC code, and you can book the service invoice for the broker in case of the services. Just select the tax code, whatever the tax code required, and book this one. So this is the total process under which you can book multiple broker in case of the landed cost. You can book the landed cost, you can create their AP invoice, you can complete their payments. So this is the total of the landed cost and the today session. So hope that you will understand. If any question, you can put up the question in comment box, and you can call me or WhatsApp me on my number. My number is 579744132. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.